Okay, Francis Gaskell.
A few weeks ago, Hueyton UST 210 canceled school because there was finally enough snow on the ground for it to be deemed unsafe for students to come to school. On that day, I was left home alone to take care of my 3 siblings, which meant I was in charge of their breakfast and lunch. I woke up at 10 a.m. that morning with a craving for crepes, so I decided I would try making them for the first time. I looked up a recipe on Food Network, and I got to work. Surprisingly enough, it actually worked out really well, so I now consider myself an expert on making crepes, which is why I will be telling you about crepes and how to make them. A crepe is a type of very thin pancake. Crepes are originally a French food, but they're served all over the world today. There are 2 types of crepes. Crepes, the sweet version, and galettes, the savory version. Because there are sweet and savory crepes, you can eat them for any occasion, meal, or time of day. There are so many different things to top and fill crepes with. Some examples of sweet crepe fillings are cream cheese filling, cinnamon cream filling, mascarpone filling, ricotta filling, fruit filling, and bischoff filling. Some examples of savory galettes are spinach basil chicken, steak and mushroom, turkey pesto, ricotta spinach bacon, and chicken and broccoli. Because of these many options, you can eat a crepe for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or just a snack throughout the day. So, now that I've given you some information and background on crepes, I'm going to teach you how to make them. According to Food Network chef Alton Brown in his recipe, Crepe Recipes for Every Occasion, making crepes is an intermediate skill level thing to cook. The prep time is around 5 minutes, the inactive time is about an hour, and the cook time is about 20 minutes. This specific recipe can yield 17 to 22 crepes. The first thing you want to do is combine the ingredients in a blender and pulse them for 10 seconds. The ingredients are 2 large eggs, 3/4 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of water, 1 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, as well as some extra butter for coating the pan.
That's right.
After that, you have to let the mixture cool in the fridge for an hour, which is why making crepes takes so long. When you pull the mixture out of the fridge after it's done cooling, you want to heat a small nonstick pan and coat it with butter. After that, you want to pour 1 ounce of butter onto the pan and swirl it around and spread it evenly. You cook it for about 30 seconds, and then you flip it and cook the other side for about 10 seconds. Continue with these steps until the batter is all gone. When the batter is all gone, leave the crepes out on a flat surface to cool. After they've cooled, you can store them in a sealable plastic bags until you're ready to eat them. You can store them in the fridge for several days or the freezer for up to 2 months. A note that the chef makes is that if you're making savory crepes, add salt and herbs to the mixture, and if you're making sweet crepes, add sugar and vanilla extract. As you can see, really the only difficult thing about making crepes is getting the timing right. Crepes are one of the best foods on the planet. They're versatile, fun to make, and delicious. Anyone can enjoy a crepe. In the words of Ricky Bobby, I wish I could crawl into one of those right now. I'd eat my way out from the inside. Thank you.